what day this is. 4, 5, 8, I don't know, something like that. Today we don't have a long drive. My ultimate destination for the day was about 2.5 hours away from where I woke up, which is cool, but I have to get there, 6 hours from now? So I have a lot of time to spend. I have a lot of time I can kill. So I've decided to stop off at a nature trail that I found along the way, and I'm very, very excited. This road, I'm taking a highway. It's pretty, but it's got a lot of traffic, so I don't know how much of the footage I'll actually use. But it's gorgeous. I'm in Arkansas now. I just came in through Texarkana. If Arkansas is a natural state, this is my home state, I feel like. I consider it my home state anyways. But it's absolutely gorgeous, and we're going to have such a good time today. Just... So now I'm passing Hope. Hope is where President Clinton was born, and TJ absolutely loves President Clinton ever since we went to his the memorial library in Little Rock whenever he was here. So I miss my TJ. I wish he was here with me, but I know he's here spiritually. Yeah, this has been a really fantastic trip so far. So I had a feeling this shit would happen. So I go to my destination, right? And there's nothing there. I'm just driving down this road now, and it's so pretty. I don't know, maybe there's supposed to be some kind of nature trail somewhere around here. But I don't know where. I don't see any signs for it. And I feel like this is like what makes a lot of people nervous about me, because like I will go off into the middle of the forest, and I don't know if I have cell reception. I know that I can record a video right now, but I don't know where I am. I'll figure it out though. My guides have always had my back, and I may get lost for a moment, but I've never... I've always been provided for. I've always been taken care of. This is a long road. Where am I going? This is a nice view, though. I can't complain. I'm so happy. This is absolutely gorgeous. I just need to find a place where I can park my car, because I don't think I can park it right here. Because this is a very narrow road. And if I just stop it on the side of the road, somebody's got to pass, and my car's just going to be in the way. There's not really much of a shoulder here. It's all trees, it's wooded areas. I wonder how long this road is. We'll just stop it. How many people live on this street? Don't worry, I have plenty of gas. Stop sign. Okay. Now where? Stop. Okay, so serious question. The stop sign has an arrow on it pointing that way. I'll go that way. Yeah, I'll go that way. Let's go. Off on an adventure, we're adventuring. Off to explore the world. 'cause we are Earth Explorers. I just made that song up. Did you like it? Let me know in the comments. Okay. Wherever the fuck I am, it's gorgeous, and I am not complaining. There's a sign that says natural area. There's nowhere to park. There's nowhere for me to put my car. Unless I pull in somebody's freaking driveway. Was I supposed to walk here? Obviously my dude's like, I'm not from here. So I stick out like a sore thumb damn near every single place I go because I love country places, but I'm also bougie as fuck. So I don't look like I belong in country places, but I don't also look like I belong in anywhere bougie either. So there's a happy medium that I've somehow found. I'm just gonna stick out. Trying to go to a nature trail at this point. I'm just driving. Okay, so there was it Cameron Scenic Highway? There was a highway that I was just on that was a scenic highway. Get back to that some way. But I actually don't want to turn around because everything in front of me is so beautiful. Arkansas is a natural state for a reason. Because it's naturally freaking gorgeous. Now, part of me wants to just pull over and knock on somebody's door and be like, hey, where am I? But that's the door-to-door salesman in me. And I've really never had the urge to do that before. I don't think I'm going to do it because I don't really care that much. That house is cute. It's a community center? Hold on, let me show you guys what I'm looking at. There is quite literally just a little house and a sign in the front that says community center. This really isn't a parking spot. I think this is more of a driveway, but it just stops right here. Like I'm barely out of the road. I'm gonna get out. Come with me. Okay. So down there is a paved road. The sign says Shiloh Road or Bateman. I feel like that's Bateman. And I feel like everybody's telling me not to go there, so I'm going. How many people can I scare that watch horror movies in one day? So here's the community center. Look, we got a wish floating around. I don't know if you can see that. freaking gorgeous this place is. I'm so happy. I'm gonna find a place to sit and then I'll get back with you. So I just had a butterfly come in front of me and she was just flapping her wings and then she just flew away. And then almost like 2 minutes, not even that, because I feel like I'm walking very fast. Like a few steps after that, a bumblebee came and circled me and flew away. If you don't know, I have a bumblebee tattooed on my side. I don't have any butterflies though. This is me. I feel like the universe is just telling me to go out and be me. And I've always wanted to do something like this. And I guess I just never had the balls to do it. Fuck it. Got them now. Got more cojones than a lot of people. So this is where I feel like I need to stop. That's the road that I came from. There's uphill, and I'm assuming there's another hill that way. It's probably going downhill a little bit more. But check it out. I've got a little teeny drainage area here, so there's a little bit of water. Got my elements working for me. The wind's blowing, the sun's shining, earth is earthing. This is where I'm supposed to be. So I'm gonna sit here for a little bit, meditate, and I don't know, we'll see what happens. See what I feel like whenever I'm done.